Honen is a website that allows you to create courses using AI. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. And today what we want to create a course on is how to, say, use AI agents for research, communications, and automation. Cool. So we're just going to keep it simple, or better still, let me just actually, you know what, I'll leave it as this, and you can actually set some brand colors if you wish to do so. I'm going to go with this professional theme. I'm going to click create and see exactly what Honen gives us here. Now, there are a lot of platforms out there that claim to be good at, actually helping people create courses, but let's see what this does. So this has actually started interview prompting. Really great way to actually get the model to ask you questions, so you know exactly what you want has clearly been articulated to the model. So I'm going to go with this, say I know AI well. It's going to be for advanced learners. So lesson practice checks. How do we want the course structured? I like to think that learning is always in the doing. So I'm going to go with building real agent systems. How do you want the course to be? I'm going to go with small for now because we're still on the free tier here on Honen. And now it's reading project skills to pick the best project type. Okay, cool. So you've got unit 1, an agent for writing, and unit 2 is a prompt challenge. So students craft prompts, design agent UI interaction patterns. And then the third one is an agent that allows students to automate data workflows with that agent. So this looks like it's being mapped out at the moment. We've got 3 sections. I'm just going to approve this outline, but of course, if you want to do so, you can request changes, and we're going to see exactly what Honen gives us. Apparently, it's building out the course, so we'll see what this output is like. I'm going to come back once this is done, and then we can evaluate the response. Oh, actually, this is done. Well, we've got some graphics here, so maybe it won't take that long. Let's currently building our first lesson. I'll be back in a minute and see what this gives us. Great, so now our course is actually finished, and we've got the first unit and the first topic. What are AI agents and how do they think? We're going to start learning with reading. So it's a 10-minute read. You can see how many words it is. We've also got an interesting image, the AI agent loop. Yes, this is exactly what people need to learn about AI agents. Perceive, reason, act, reflect. I also, I've seen this be described as think, observe, and then act, because of course, these AI agents, or fully fledged AI agents, not just, some basic automations marketed as agents, are the ones that are capable of actually solving problems in ways that weren't initially configured by the creator. Now, this is one of the key aspects of AI agents, and they can do this through this react pattern that allows them to reason and act. So it's great to see that this is here. They've clearly done some due diligence to make sure everything that's actually being shown is correct. Next, we've got designing tools and constraints for agents. And let's see, I'm just going to flick through these. We've got a project that people can do. You can actually begin this as well. So this is really cool. It's great to see. I'm going to keep going back, and I actually want to go back to the dashboard, see what we've got. So I'm going to pick on my courses. You can see this here. I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out. To start the course for free, and this goes into all the different projects, the different units, number of lessons, and a short section about this course as well. Cool. So yeah, this is definitely a great platform. I would say it's allowed me to make this quick course, and you can actually use this to actually build out a more fully fledged course. You can have flashcards, you can create quizzes, lectures, podcasts, jams as well. It's quite interesting. Arcades, interesting. Comic and videos. Now I'm not going to dive into these because of course these videos are just for just to, I guess, give you a little taste of what's out there in terms of different AI tools. But definitely check this out if you think it would be useful.